Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to increase display color on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone and from here just scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now from here just scroll down and tap on screen colors. And from here you will get a few options. You can select between the standard mode or you can select professional, which will dial down the saturation of the screen, or you can select bright, which will increase the saturation of the colors on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can increase the display color on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.